Maintaining a clean home is a task that can evoke mixed feelings. Some find it therapeutic, turning the space into a relaxing sanctuary, while others view it as a necessary weekly chore that rarely brings joy until completion. Regardless of your stance, opting for non-toxic cleaning methods is crucial to control exposure to harmful chemicals often present in conventional cleaning products. Numerous chemicals in these products are identified as endocrine-disrupting chemicals, EDCs, linked to various illnesses, including breast cancer. The trend towards natural cleaning products is gaining traction, and in this video we will show how you can easily create them at home using everyday pantry items such as bicarbonate of soda, white vinegar, lemons, table salt, and citric acid. Here are some alternative recipes to help you initiate non-toxic cleaning in your home. Multi-purpose cleaner. White vinegar. Harness the natural acidic properties of white vinegar, acetic acid, for a versatile cleaner. Combine equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle. For a pleasant scent, add lemon rinds and/or herbs. Avoid using vinegar on stone or ceramics. Heavy-duty scrub. Lemon and bicarbonate of soda. Create a potent cleaning paste by mixing the juice of half a lemon with 4 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda. This powerful combination effectively removes stubborn marks, including rust. Apply the paste, then wipe away residue with water and a cloth. Kitchen cleaner. Bicarbonate of soda. For kitchen surfaces, appliances, and refrigerator interiors, rely on baking soda. Mix 4 tablespoons with 450 milliliters warm water and transfer the solution to a spray bottle. To clean stainless steel, make a paste with bicarbonate of soda and water, rub the surface to remove marks, and buff with a clean cloth for shine. Bathroom scrub. Bicarbonate of soda and table salt. Craft a dry scrub cleaner for bathrooms by mixing equal parts bicarbonate of soda and salt into a paste. This mixture effectively cuts through soap residue. If you're finding this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Or let us know what you thought in the comments section below. Subscribe to our channel for more home cleaning news and tips. Mold remover. White vinegar and table salt. Combat mold by spraying white vinegar on affected areas, letting it sit for 20 minutes, then scrubbing with an old toothbrush dipped in table salt. Glass cleaner. White vinegar and rubbing alcohol. Achieve streak-free mirrors and windows by mixing 250 milliliters water with 3 tablespoons white vinegar and 60 milliliters rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle. Use it as you would a regular glass cleaner. Toilet cleaner. White vinegar and bicarbonate of soda. Combine 1 part vinegar with 1 part warm water and 4 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda in a spray bottle. Spray the toilet, let it sit for 15 minutes, then scrub as usual. Limescale remover. Citric acid. Dissolve limescale and eliminate germs by mixing 200 g citric acid with 150 milliliters water and a squirt of eco-friendly washing up liquid. This solution works effectively on shower screens. Air freshener. Houseplants. Opt for houseplants to naturally freshen the air in your home, eliminating the need for toxic air fresheners. Embrace the transformative power of non-toxic cleaning, not just as a routine but as a commitment to the well-being of your home and those within it. These simple, yet potent, DIY cleaning solutions not only protect you from the harmful effects of conventional chemicals but also contribute to a healthier environment.